Hi, welcome to Physical Product Cash video number 8. In this short video, we are going to discuss about the WordPress pages. So we need to create WordPress pages in our website to compliance with the legal requirement, as well as for the Google spiders to see the website is genuine and the creator of the site is a little bit serious, and people also expect this nowadays. So we have to create 4 basic pages in our website. Those are all called about us page, a privacy policy page, and affiliate disclosure page, or and contact us page. You might remember in the plugin setup we have done a privacy policy page already. So let's log into our admin panel and we will create these 4 pages. To create these pages, you have to click pages. So when you're new to the website, there will be nothing available. I have created 4 pages here, namely the about us page, affiliate disclosure page, contact us page, and privacy policy page. Privacy policy page, which we have created using the plugin from the video number 6. You can watch the video if you want to see how it is created. It's created automatically. And other 3 pages we created are about us page, affiliate disclosure, and contact us. About us page is a page about you and your website. So basically I would like you to put about your website. What is the benefits of the website for the visitors? So that should be the main content in the about us, and also you can discuss about yourself, what you do and why you do those kind of things. If you look at my about us page, which I created here, it'll be pretty simple and straightforward. It state about what is a product review, what we do, how we do the product reviews, how they will be benefited from the product reviews. I have not spoken anything about me here. If you want, we can do that also. And the next thing is affiliate disclosure page. As per the FTC guidelines, we have to disclose in our website that the links which we have placed are affiliate links, and we get some money from these links. So we have to put an official requirement as per the FTC guidelines. Affiliate disclosure is pretty straightforward. If you want to copy the official affiliate disclosure thing from my website, you can copy it. This straight away says what is third-party sponsor ads, Fiverr, those kind of things, what is compensation, how we are getting, what we are using, of those kind of things. And the last one is the contact us page. Contact us page is simply states how someone wants to contact you, the information. So I just mentioned, as want to get in touch with us, email us at contact@campinghype, and we will get back to you in a day or 2. So they're pretty simple and straightforward. So these 4 pages are very important, and the reason I'm saying very important, because Google, when they are ranking, they supposed to see these kind of things. This is a very good procedure to follow, and which shows Google that we are serious and the website is of good standing. To have our website and good standing, we should have all these things. It's pretty straightforward. It will not take more than 15-20 minutes for you to create, and these 4 pages comes very handy and it's very useful. So that's it for this video. These 4 pages, you have to create it, but it's just only a once off, and create these pages under the pages section and put your links into that. To put the links into the settings of the theme settings, I will be discussing it in future videos. I will cover in this respective place. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.